fabulous, awesome, amazing, wild, crazy, exciting.
Das war awesome. Das war ein super guter Tag. Gut gegessen, gut viel gefahren.
Einfach alles super.
Schön, dass wir es gemacht haben.
Super. Super belle ride, super belle journée, super beau temps, super belle curve, super beau paysage. Super.
Very good. So nice.
Cool.
Awesome.
It was way better than one of those Sahara SUV things. It was great. It was fantastic. We would do it again.
Yeah, tomorrow?
I would actually like to do the extended 4-day.
Alright.
Is it 4-day or 5-day?
Absolutely fantastic. What a ride. One of the best rides I've ever done. Brilliant. Superb. Well done, Serge. You're the man.
It was a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic.
Sunny Dubai's not that sunny today, but it was a great time. Brilliant, in fact.
This was our first time riding a Harley.
Yeah.
It was a fabulous experience. Serge took great care of us. We had an excellent tour up through the mountains.
I loved it. It was my first time, and I think I thoroughly enjoyed it. I plan on coming back here when the weather is much cooler again and again. But other than that, it was the best ride ever.
It exceeded expectations. Yeah, lovely countryside, great bike, great company, fabulous, great roads, great scenery, really good. Yeah.
I like the fast roller coaster. Yeah, Ferrari World.
Oh, that's right, Ferrari.
First time, it was great, much better than a sport bike.
First time.
Totally awesome.
Awesome.
Very exciting. I'd definitely do it again too, Serge. It was great.
Had a great day, mate. Thank you for showing me the best bits of Dubai in the best way. Thank you.
It was fantastic. My wife managed to fall asleep in a bike. This is the first time I think that you have this. Please put it on record.